Welcome everybody, my name is Lisa and today on Pressure Crisp, we're doing another one of these kits. We're doing the Dunkin Hines Cheesecake kit and we're going to do it in the Ninja Foodi today. Aunt, do you have anything to add? Aunt Ruthie is actually the one that wanted this.
I just can't wait.
Okay, because we made one the other week and she really loves this cheesecake, don't you? Aunt?
Yes, I did. And I think I would try one if I have to in the microwave.
She just said the microwave word. No, hopefully when I return, Aunt Ruthie's going to learn how to use the Ninja Foodi grill. She won't be able to use the Ninja Foodi because of her shoulders. She can't. It's too deep. She would end up with permanent burn marks on both of her forearms. So, without further ado, come on over and let's make some cheesecake. We're using the Ninja Foodi today for the cheesecake. You want to make sure the ceramic pot is in, and I'm just putting the trivet in the bottom. I'm just going to leave it right in there. We're going to close the lid. We're going to turn it on, and I just made one the other day. We're going to choose bake roast, and we're going to choose the temp. We're going all the way down, all the way down. Boom, we're going to the lowest temperature, which is 250 degrees. I am just going to hit start. It defaults to 15 minutes, but when I put the cheesecake in there, then I'll set the time. While our Ninja Foodi is preheating, I'm going to open the box. I just want to show you this. This is the Dunkin Hines Cheesecake Easy Cake Kit. This truly is an easy bake oven kit for the Ninja Foodi. Trust me, you guys are going to love this. And here's everything that's included. You have, this is the graham cracker crust. This is the cheesecake part right there. And it even comes, look at this. It's fantastic. It comes with its own container to cook the cheesecake. This is what you're going to need, and it's kind of nice. You will need 2 tablespoons of butter melted, 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, and 1 egg that is at room temperature. And we're just going to follow the instructions. Starting off with the crust. If I can get this open. Let's see. There we go. Oh, this is so hard. So we put the graham cracker crust in a bowl. You're going to take that 2 tablespoons of melted butter, pour it right into the graham cracker crust. I'm going to take a fork and we're just going to stir the butter and the graham crackers together. That's perfect, just like that. You're going to take the 6-inch pan that came with the cheesecake kit, which is made out of paper, by the way. And we're just going to pour the crust right into the pan. I'm going to take the fork and I'm just going to spread it out to make it even as possible. Now you can use your fingers, which would probably be better than this fork, but you can take the fork and just press down on the crust and just try to get it as even as possible. The crust is ready. I'm just going to take that crust and we're just going to set it off to the side. Now we're going to start on the filling. You're going to need a larger mixing bowl. You need 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. Just put that right in the bowl. Next, you're going to add the cheesecake mix. This is the mix that came in the box. You're going to tear it open and just pour it right into the bowl with the cream cheese. And you're going to take a hand mixer and you're going to mix this up. Just start it out on a low speed to begin with. And you want to do this for 1 minute. Now you want to mix this on high for 3 minutes. We are done mixing on high for the 3 minutes. I'm going to turn it down to low. You're going to go ahead and add that 1 egg. Now you're going to mix this until it's blended. Let me turn it up just a bit. And if you need to, you can scrape down the sides of the bowl in order to make sure everything gets incorporated. I am going to take a spatula and just scrape down the sides just to make sure everything was mixed in and together. That looks pretty good right there. We're going to take that cheesecake crust and you're just going to take the cheesecake mixture and pour it right into the bowl. Well, the prepared crust. Now we're just going to take the spatula and we're just going to push it around in the dish just to make sure it's even and level. Beautiful. Okay, and I'm going to use a sling, but if you have the metal trivet that came with the Ninja Foodi or the Ninja Foodi Deluxe, go ahead and use that. And I'm just going to take the cheesecake, place it right on there on the sling, and we're going to place it into the Ninja Foodi. The lid, pick it up with the sling, and place it right in here. Maybe level that trivet that's underneath there. Once again, be careful because it might be hot. And lower that right in there. And what I like to do, you're going to connect the trivet, the sling, if you have the sling that can be connected. And go ahead and shut the lid. So it's going to be 250 degrees. The time, we're going to up this to 30 minutes. We're going to check it probably in 25 minutes just to see how we're doing. About 3 minutes left on the clock. Just going to check it. Be careful because this silicone can get hot. Just going to jiggle it just a bit. We'll give it one more minute. We have 2 minutes left. Let's take a look here. Yeah, I think it's done. Let's do the jiggle test. Once again, be careful because that is hot. Yeah, this is done. I'm going to put these lovely little mitts on. I do love these mitts. Ants, I love these mitts.
I think they're funny.
That silicone sling fell on the cake. Yikes. All right, let's pray to God we don't drop this. My aunt will kill me.
Don't give me the big one.
All right. Ooh, we're going to take it out and put it on a baker's rack. And we're going to let this sit until it's cool, and then we'll put it in the refrigerator. Now, it has to be in there for a few hours. Yes, I said that. And my aunt is having a what?
I'll have the big one when I thought you were going to drop it.
No, she wants like to taste test it now. But no, cheesecake needs to set up, and it also needs to chill for at least, I mean, I would prefer 3 or 4 hours, so we will do a taste test on this after dinner. Okay, Aunt Ruthie's going to taste test the cheesecake. Here's a close-up of it in its pan. I know the lighting, I apologize for the lighting, but go ahead, Aunts.
I have already had a piece of this last week when she made one. And it is very good.
What do you think of the center this time?
Mmm.
Is it creamier than last time?
I think it is a little bit
Yeah,
creamier.
because I cooked it less than the other week.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so if you want a creamier version, follow the exact time, which I can't remember. I wrote it down. I think 30, shoot. I think it's 30 minutes. I can't remember. I've made so many of these cakes and cheesecakes recently that I have to write everything down in my notebook. But just follow the time on the video. If you want it cooked a bit more where it's not as creamy in the center, just cook it like around 4 or 5 more minutes.
And you could always vary it by putting some raspberries on top or chocolate sauce.
Notice how she said the chocolate sauce.
You can just vary it. It's wonderful.
All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give it a thumbs up. Oh, Jesus. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that notifications button. And yeah, this is the final video for Vegas. We are signing off from Vegas.
Goodbye.
Don't worry. You'll hopefully
Stay safe, everybody.
And hopefully you'll see her in a few months.